Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty disappointing day here today. I mean, so much upwards momentum occurred on Wednesday, not only from the volume point of view, but I mean, just all that volume created a big upwards movement. And then today, the price just, I'm not going to say crash because that'd be a little too dramatic. But yeah, things are certainly looking shaky. But at the same time, to be fair, it's not like the entire chart's destroyed either. But at this point, in my opinion, at least, there is definitely a very, very important level of support moving into next week. And that level is down here at the 77-cent mark. And 77 cents is very important. And I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just from an explanation standpoint. But if the price were to come down to that area, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have? Well, at that point, you would quite literally have the price having gone right back inside of that range where it just was. Or said another way, that would imply that the price exploded upwards to then go right back to where it was. Not exactly the sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to actually happen, but that is why, in my opinion, that green line is a very, very important level to watch going forward into next week. Now, if the price does decide to consolidate out and start to work its way back upwards, where some of these areas of resistance at? So the first key area of resistance, then any sort of upwards bounce is going to be right there at that 90-cent mark. And then if the price can break up through 90, next key level of resistance after that point, right up there at the dollar mark. So 90 cents and then a dollar. Next couple of roadblocks, like I said, if there is any sort of attempted movement back upwards. But all in all, disappointing day today. Things are looking pretty shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week and start to, not necessarily break up to new highs, but at least start to trend back upwards. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.